All right. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You are all welcome to BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay. So what we do in this channel is that we teach you guys. We talk about jamb, post UTME, and admission at large. Okay, so that's basically what we do here, and we also assist some of our candidates to gain admission into the university. So if you have a very low jamb score and you don't want to write jamb again in 2025, you can basically subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us so that we can be able to help you out. All right, so now today I promise you guys that whatever questions I receive from my candidates, I will definitely come here to answer it, so that each and every one member of this or our subscribers will learn from that also. All right, so that's the promise I made. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will encourage us. And if you like, after watching the content, if you like it, you can give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will notify YouTube will algorithm will show it out, distribute it to people out there still looking for this kind of video or this kind of content. All right, so that's basically what you do for us. And if you have any issues at all you're having in your admission, let me know in the comment section. I'll be right here to answer you. Okay, so today I'll be talking about the list of private universities that doesn't write post UTME examination. Okay, so I have done for state, I have done for federal. So now I'll still do for private, because I know they ask for state, they ask for federal, and they also ask for private. So, and this video I don't want to do it, I don't want to end it up here. All right, so that's why I will have to split the video into some parts. All right, so if you have, after watching this part one, of course your school, if your school is not on this part one, you can check out for part two in this same channel. All right, after watching the part two, maybe your school is not there, you can equally check out for part three. All right, still in the same channel, so check it out. So on, I believe me that your school, you will see your school of choice. Okay, if your school is not there, then you definitely know that your school writes post UTME examination, and this 2024 will not be exceptional. Don't forget that jamb cutoff mark for 2024 is not yet out, and once it's out, I will update you guys. You will know, definitely know about it. All right, so I will start from number one. The number one on our list is Achievers University. Anyone you don't really understand, you can equally use your Google search engine. Right, you use your Google search engine to search more for the school. Right, and they will explain, then the Google will explain more about the school for you. All right, so the number one there is Achievers University. So the second one on the list is Adeleke University. Adeleke University is the second on our list. The third one on our list is Afe Babalola University. That's the third one on our list, Afe Babalola University. The fourth one on our list is African University of Science and Technology. This school is located at FCT, Abuja. That's where the school is situated. So you can check more of the school if you want to. You can check more of the school. So the fifth one is on our list is Ajayi Crowther University. It is at Ibadan. That's where the school is. All right. So the sixth on our list is Al Hikma University. It's located at Ilorin, Kwara State. Alright, so we stopped at number 6. Okay, please don't forget, if you have not subscribed, if you are not yet a subscriber of our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is very, very important to us. Right, when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, what you do is that you are encouraging us. Right, you encourage us, and we will not hesitate to be doing more content for you guys, the one you love so much. All right, because we are here to give you out all the updates. Because if you are running for if you applied for jamb and post UTME and you don't have somewhere you are getting information from, believe me, you are going to miss out with some things. Okay, so as a member of this channel, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification, so that when I drop any content like this, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. And when you check it out, believe me, you're not going to miss out, because we're always updated, we're always there to give you content that you want. All right, so there's no way you will miss out. All right, so that's basically what we'll do for you. Okay, so and also we have a WhatsApp community for our registered candidates for 2024 UTME. All right, so for 2024 admission processes. Okay, so what you do if you want to join us, also let me know on the comment section that you want to join us, and I will write there to give you my contact so that you can message me on WhatsApp, and after getting to know you, I'll add you on our WhatsApp community, and you will get and benefit a whole lot from our community. All right, so that's how it is. So let's get right to the video. We stopped at number 6. So now we're taking number 7. The number 7 on our list is American University of Nigeria. American University of Nigeria. This university is situated at Yola, Adamawa State. So where we're ending this video is at number 8. So the number 8 one on our list is the only institution, is one of the institutions which is Babcock University. This of course, this institution is located at Ogun State. So many of us know the institution. So it's Babcock University. That's at number 8. So that's the private institution that doesn't write post UTME examination. So what they only do is to screen you with your O-level result and jamb result. All right, at the end they will give you admission. All right, so that's what they do for you guys. All right, please, I want to remind you again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, this is how we ended this video again. Don't forget that I love you guys, and don't forget to follow us so that you will win. And when you win, you always keep winning. All right, so you win and you keep winning. All right, take care of yourself. I love you guys.